What's up, guys? It's the Eagle back here with another episode of Eagle Tech Talk. Now, y'all know from previous videos how much I love moment gear. So even though now we have a Sony a6400 for shooting content for this channel, link up here, check out the video, I will still be using my smartphone for a lot of footage, you know, B-roll, things of that nature. So I did pick up some new moment gear. Let's take a look, see what we got. Alright guys, first thing we got today, we got the Moment attachable lens pouch. So it's a weatherproof pouch. I think it's actually, yeah, right now it's about $39.99. Little low profile pouch, this. And it's got space for 2 lenses, so not bad. You know, if you're trying to, say you're going on a hike or something, and you want something minimal, this is great. You know, you clip it on your belt, put a carabiner on it, you know. And also, we got us another Moment lens. Let's check this baby out. So we got the Moment Tele lens. Best lens for video with your smartphone, but it's also a good portrait lens. The Moment Tele lens is a 60mm lens. Gives you that nice kind of bokeh effect that you get with professional DSLR mirrorless cameras, that kind of blurred background. So let's go ahead and let's check it out. Alright, look at that. Gorgeous. So just like with any other Moment lens unboxings, you know, you have the little card, tells how to put it on the case. Got a nice little picture shot with that. Now, because we're not filming with my phone anymore, I could actually go ahead and we could show you this. So here's the lens. Look at that. Let's go ahead and attach it to the camera. Actually, before we put this on it, look at that. Never amazes me that Moment has such high quality glass. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and attach it. Now, just like with any previous Moment lenses, you line it up. And there you go. Ready to go. Now, let's go ahead, same as we have with previous Moment lenses, let's go ahead, we're gonna head out into the field. Let's go ahead and shoot some video with this Moment lens, and let's see how good the footage looks. Alright guys, let's go ahead, now we're out here, let's go ahead, we're gonna test out the Moment telephoto lens, the 58mm. Let's go ahead and put this baby on and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, and here we are with the Moment telephoto lens. How's it look? I'll see how it looks when I go to edit it, but how's it look on your end? I don't know if I would use this lens. I know it's going to be a very zoomed in look. I kind of usually prefer the wide or the ultra wide lenses when I'm vlogging, just so you have more in the background. And look at this weather. It is beautiful out here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and let's go shoot some more footage with this lens. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that look at the Moment telephoto lens and the Moment pouch on this episode of Eagle Tech Talk. Again, if you are interested in picking up this lens or the pouch or any other Moment gear, I'd love if you click my affiliate link below. Helps me out. Or if you're not interested in purchasing any Moment gear, they do have other filmmaking, videography, photography gear on their website, as well as you can click my Amazon affiliate links. Those also help me out as well. I want to thank y'all for watching. Remember to click the bell for alerts, subscribe, share the video with others, comment below. I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Have a great day.